Ever wonder how people are making hundreds, even thousands of dollars by creating stunning AI-generated digital art? Well, it's not as complicated as it sounds. You see, AI-generated art isn't just for galleries or social media. People are turning these unique designs into real products. Things like mugs, t-shirts, stickers, phone cases, and even posters. That's right, guys, and to show you that this actually works, let me give you some real proof. Here's a snapshot of actual sales made on Redbubble from designs just like the ones we've been talking about. As you can see, these sales are not just one-offs. People are consistently purchasing AI-generated designs, whether it's on t-shirts, stickers, or mugs. This isn't just a theory, it's real income being made by leveraging AI art, and it's something you can do too. These results show that with the right approach, you can turn your creativity into a source of passive income. Get comfortable, guys, because today is a special day. Now that you know how easy it is to create AI-generated art and potentially make real money, let me show you how to tap into what's hot right now. A key part of making sales is knowing what people are already looking for, and that's where an amazing tool like BumbleSpider comes in. BumbleSpider is a platform that lets you track what's trending on selling platforms like Redbubble and Amazon in real time, so you can create art that aligns with the latest trends. Think about it, the more relevant your designs are, the higher your chances of making sales. Let's dive in and take a look at what's trending right now. All the steps we are about to implement can also be done using just your mobile phone as well. So even if you don't have a laptop, there's no excuse for not making money online with AI. So now, first you go to bubblespider.com, the link will be provided below. Click on popular keywords. Here you can see a list of top trending keywords and categories that people are searching for on Redbubble. For example, right now, one of the hottest topics is the Dark Brandon meme. It's a viral phenomenon that has captured a lot of attention, and it's the perfect opportunity to create something that resonates with buyers. Now that we've seen some of the top trending keywords, let's dig a little deeper. One of the most useful features of BubbleSpider is its competition slider. By toggling through the competition levels, you can see which trends have more or less competition, giving you an edge when deciding what designs to create. For example, if you're looking at a high-demand keyword like the Dark Brandon meme, you'll want to check the competition bar. As you can see, the competition for the Dark Brandon meme is low right now, which makes it a prime opportunity to jump in and create something unique. With fewer designs out there, it's going to be much easier for your art to stand out and gain traction on Redbubble, increasing your chances of making sales. Additionally, you can use the trend bars to spot the hottest topics right now and target your designs towards what's currently in demand, but with less competition. This is key to maximizing your chances of making sales. Now enough talking. Let's explore how we can use this trend to generate some stunning AI art that's sure to stand out. First, we'll head over to our free AI art generator. For this example, I'll be using Flux, which is not only completely free, but super easy to use. Like I said, all the links will be provided in the description below, so now just type in your prompt, like Dark Brandon meme with a futuristic twist, and let the AI work its magic. And voila, in just a few clicks, you've got a one-of-a-kind digital piece. And because we know this topic is trending, there's a much higher chance that someone on Redbubble is going to see this and be interested in buying it. Isn't it incredible how just a few years ago, creating something like this would have required a professional designer and a hefty price tag? But now, with the power of AI, you have all the tools at your fingertips to bring your ideas to life. And that's exactly what this channel is all about, unlocking opportunities with AI so you can live your best life. If you're excited about the endless possibilities that AI offers and don't want to miss out on our updates, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Trust me, you won't regret it. So now guys, here's where things get even more exciting. Not only do you have the ability to track trends with BubbleSpider, but you also have access to one of the best tools to help generate those creative sparks, ChatGPT. You see, ChatGPT is not only used to answer questions, you can also use ChatGPT to generate unique and engaging prompts that will take your AI art ideas to the next level. Whether you're looking for a fresh take on a trending topic or need help fine-tuning your existing ideas, ChatGPT can give you that extra edge. It's like having a brainstorming partner who never runs out of ideas. So whenever you feel stuck or need some extra inspiration, remember that ChatGPT is just a few keystrokes away to help you create stunning stunning, trend-worthy designs. So now guys, let's jump into ChatGPT to help us come up with some amazing prompts. Since Dark Brandon meme is currently trending on Redbubble with less competition, we'll use it as our case study. This will give us a fun and creative edge while showing how you can easily bring trending topics to life with AI-generated designs. So let's see what ChatGPT can come up with to make our design stand out. Hey ChatGPT, I want you to write an image prompt for Dark Brandon meme. It's for a shirt design, so it gotta look stunning. And voila, just like that, ChatGPT has done all the heavy lifting for us. No more racking your brain for the perfect prompt. Now, all you have to do is copy and paste that prompt right into your AI art generator. Go ahead, try it out and watch the magic unfold right in front of your eyes. The difference is undeniable. Now, after pasting the prompt we got from ChatGPT, get ready for some magic. Hit that run button and watch as the art generator works its wonders. And boom, just like that, in a matter of seconds, you've created a stunning, mind-blowing masterpiece. Seriously, this is the kind of art that would take hours to design manually. But with the power of AI, you've done it in the blink of an eye. It's not just art, it's next-level creativity at your fingertips. Now hit the download button to have your generated art saved. Now that we've got our stunning AI-generated art, it's time to take things up a notch and make it really stand out. We're going to use Canva, one of the best design tools out there for adding that professional touch. So now, head over to Canva and create a new project. I recommend choosing a canvas size that fits perfectly for Redbubble's t-shirt dimensions, something like 4,500 x 5,400 pixels. Once you've got that ready, upload your AI-generated art you generated and get it perfectly placed. Now, here's where the magic happens. Canva has a ton of features that allow you to tweak and enhance the colors, the layout, and even the overall vibe of your design. Let's start by adjusting the colors. Click on Edit, then click on Adjust. For the Dark Brandon meme, you want to aim for strong, bold colors that align with the meme's striking and edgy tone. Dark reds, blacks, and electric blues work really well here. Don't be afraid to play around with the color wheel until you find that perfect combination that pops. Next, let's move on to filters. Canva offers a wide range of filters that can make your image sharper, more vibrant, or give it a more vintage or futuristic feel. For the Dark Brandon theme, you might want to go with a high contrast filter to really emphasize those powerful dark tones. Something like the fresco filter in Canva should do the trick. You can also toggle around with the intensity until you get the perfect result. If you're really serious about this and want to take your business to the next level, you can also dive into creating your own logo and branding. Adding your own logo, text, or slogan that matches the tone of the art can elevate it even more. Canva has tons of font choices, so feel free to try out all these amazing features. But hey, this is totally optional. If you're not ready to go all in just yet, you can keep it simple and still get great results without getting too caught up in the details. It's all about finding what works best for you. Finally, once everything looks just right, export your design as a high-quality PNG so it's ready to upload directly to Redbubble. With just a few tweaks, you've taken your AI-generated art to the next level. Now that we've enhanced our AI-generated art and it's looking amazing, it's time to head over to Redbubble and get it set up for sale. Open up Redbubble, and if you don't already have an account, quickly sign up. It's free and easy. Once you're logged in, click on the Sell Your Art button, and let's begin the process of uploading our design. First, click Add New Work and upload the high-quality PNG of the enhanced artwork we just created. Redbubble will automatically display your design across a wide variety of products, from t-shirts and mugs to stickers and phone cases. Now, for each product, you have the option to adjust the size, positioning, and even the background color, so the design fits perfectly. Since we're focusing on the Dark Brandon meme, you'll want to make sure the design is centered and stands out, especially on darker background colors like black, navy, or charcoal gray. Once you've got everything lined up, scroll down and enable the products you want to sell. Whether it's t-shirts, mugs, or stickers, it's all up to you. I'd recommend enabling most of the products since it allows your design to be visible across different categories. The more exposure, the better. Next, let's add some tags. This is key. You want to use relevant tags so people can easily find your design. For the Dark Brandon meme, include tags like Dark Brandon, meme, viral, trending, and AI art. These are the keywords people are searching for, and they'll help boost your visibility. After that, give your design a catchy title and a short description explaining what inspired it and why it's unique. Something like Dark Brandon Mimi AI generated art would work great. The description can mention that this design was created using AI tools, making it extra cool and trendy. Finally, set your price. Redbubble allows you to adjust the markup on each product. A good rule of thumb is to start with a reasonable price to attract buyers, but don't undervalue your work. Once you're satisfied, hit the Publish's button, and just like that, your design is live and ready to be sold on Redbubble. Now, as a bonus, don't limit yourself to just Redbubble. There are other marketplaces where you can also upload your designs. Sites like Teespring and Zazzle work similarly to Redbubble, allowing you to turn your digital art into products. Diversifying across platforms will increase your chances of making sales. And just like that, guys, we've gone from finding trending keywords to generating stunning AI art, enhancing it with Canva, and now having it live on Redbubble for the world to see. This entire process shows just how powerful AI tools are, making tasks that once took hours, or even a professional, so much easier and more accessible. But before we wrap things up, remember, if you want more of these kinds of opportunities and you don't want to miss out on the next big AI trend or free tool, you definitely want to join my free Telegram community. It's the perfect place to get daily updates, tips, and even more ways to make money using AI, whether it's through digital art, trend analysis, or creative business ideas. The link is in the description below, so make sure to join. And hey, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. I've got plenty more in store, including deep dives into AI tools, tutorials, and of course, even more ways to help you leverage the power of AI to live a better life. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next, so hit that notification bell and stay tuned. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.